Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you all to your favorite vegetarian channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. I trust you are doing so well. I'm back again with something I believe we all love, and it's quite easy to make, delicious as well, and it's none other than vegan garlic bread. Let's get started already. For the ingredients, I have milk, vegan or plant-based milk, some garlic, bread. You can use any bread of your choice, any loaf of your choice. I have some vegetable oil, cheese slices, a little bit of vegan spice, butter, scallions or spring onions, and parsley. Kindly note that all ingredients are neatly washed. So I start off by soaking my garlic. I'm going to soak it in the vegetable oil and set aside. Then to prepping of my scallions, I'm going to chop it up into very tiny pieces. Scallions have a really nice aroma or smell, and it makes everything delicious when incorporated in meals. Now into my food processor, I add my scallions or spring onions. I'm also going to add my parsley. You can add additional herbs of your choice if you so desire. Then I sprinkle just a little bit of my veg spices. And also go in with my garlic at this point, as it has soaked up the vegetable oil. I also go in with a few drops of the oil as well to make the blending process quite smooth. Then I go in with one large butter. I added all. You can just use half if you so desire. And I'm going to cover it, but I remembered that I have not added my milk, so I go in with just about half cup of milk. I added it and then I cover it and set to blend. I blend for about a minute until I have this really smooth and running consistency. There you have it. The aroma is so nice. So I'm going to just pour it into a bowl and get ready to spread it on my bread. So now to the spreading process, I just use one slice of bread and I make sure to cover the entire surface with my garlic butter mixture. So just take one slice and then cover the whole entire surface with a mixture or the paste. It was quite fun doing this because the garlic butter mixture smells so good. So just inhaling it took me to a different level, and I couldn't wait to just get into it and eat it already. So I repeat the process until I'm done with everything. Mind you, my oven is set on a 350 degrees to preheat. So just when I was done with the whole thing, as extra as I am, I'm going to top it with some cheese. Yes, some cheese to make it extra delicious. So I topped it up with cheese slices and then it will go straight into the oven to bake. Oh, and before I forget, I sprinkled it with scallions, and oh my. You will need to try this to know how it actually tastes like. It's so delicious. So right after sprinkling, I went into the oven with it and baked for about 5 to 10 minutes. And right after that, my vegan garlic bread is all set. As you can see, it has soaked all the delicious flavors and It tasted so good, so good. You can pair this with anything and it will taste so good. It will go well with beverage, with juice, absolutely anything. You can just have it like that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. If you loved it, do well to give it a big thumbs up as it helps the channel grow. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already, and please share these beautiful videos to your contacts and everyone. It's quite easy to make. Until I see you in my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye, guys.